करवावहै. Okay, let's start it once again. Om Shahana Bhavatu. Om Shahana Bhunaktu. Sahaviryam Karvavahai. Tejashvi Navaditamastu. Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Okay, now the pledge. Let's stand up. India is my country, and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country, and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Sit down. Okay, so children,
what are we making?
we'll be making. First of all, let me talk to you. Children, we are going to Pisha and Vanchika and Advay, listen properly and keep yourself unmute. Okay. We are going to present a story in front of our parents. Okay. So we are going to narrate the story, and we are also going to make some props. Either we are going to make puppets, or we can make a chart where we can draw the characters, and we will be showing and narrating the story. Got me? Yeah, Vanshika? Did you get me? We are going to do it on the last day. But for that, we need preparation, isn't it? We cannot do it right now. So for that, what we are going to do, I'm going to show you today how we are going to present it in front of our parents. We are going to either make a prop with papers, or we can make a chart where we can draw whatever story I am choosing. See, I have lot of stories to choose upon. You can choose your own story, but these are the references I have. You can choose from here, or you can choose your own story. See, the hare and the tortoise.
Frozen.
Yeah.
Your screen is frozen.
My screen is frozen. Is it okay with you, Twisha?
Yeah, for me it's okay. For me it's okay.
There may be some internet issue from your side. I can see you all very well.
Ma'am, screen is frozen. I can see you all very well.
Can you just log out and log in again?
Okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay for me. Yeah.
Okay, no?
Vanshika, are you able to see me? Huh? Okay. Let Twisha join in. Then I'm going to tell you what you're supposed to do. So, we are going to make either puppets, hand puppets, or we are going to draw it in a chart paper. Did you get me, Adbhay, what we are going to do? Yes,
Yeah.
we have to narrate a story, our own. Okay, and today I'm going to tell you how we are going to do that. But the preparation will be yours. You can choose your own stories, whichever you like. Okay, I have some references with me. You can take it as from here also, or you can choose your own. Okay. Uh, mm, Visha, where is she gone? Not yet joined. So the hare and the tortoise, the story of the hare and the tortoise, you've heard? You heard the story?
I heard.
Yeah.
Keep this one.
Vanchika, can you listen to me, dear? Yes, just keep it for some time.
This bowl and pour more glue. This one is. Give me the kitchen bowl. And that's it.
Okay. So we can take that story, or the thirsty crow. We have the Hatsel and the monkey. Okay. So Lion and the rabbit, or Lion and the mouse, whichever story you feel like, or
I
Cinderella.
heard the lion and the rabbit. The lion and the mouse.
Lion and the mouse, Lion
Me
and the
too.
rabbit, both are good stories. Okay. So Twisha, you're able to hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, I can't hear her. Yes.
Okay. Now Twisha, listen carefully, dear. We are going to, on the last day, we have to do a presentation in front of our parents. Okay, your parents. So you are going to narrate the story of your choice with the help of props. That means, what are props? Either you can make hand puppets, or you can make dolls like this and say a story, or you can
you show me
draw.
the doll again?
I will make it. Wait. Or you can draw it in the chart paper and you can narrate the story. Okay. These are the ways you can. Okay, Advai, did you get me?
Mom? I want to make it now.
You want to make it now, but you have to choose your story. Today I'm going to show you one story that I have chosen. How am I going to narrate the story, and with the help of props. Okay?
In this metal.
Fine? Okay. For that, I'm going to, yesterday we have learned about the giraffe. You've seen the giraffe?
Yes.
Yeah. So that is the Haldi's adventure. So I have taken the story Haldi's adventure as the presentation story. Okay. I'm going to make a prop and I'm going to tell the story of it. Similarly, you are going to choose your story and make props of your own, or you can write it over a chart paper. You can draw it over the chart paper. The story, this way you can draw it, or you can draw and tell the story goes this way. This is the story. Okay. So you can do it this way. Okay. There are two ways. Fine. Or you can make hand puppets with socks. Whichever way you want.
I
you
want
have
to make dolls.
Yes.
I want to make dolls.
I'm going to make the doll today. We are going to make the doll today. So yesterday.
Mom, how much paper do we need?
Wait, I'm going to tell you. So today I'm going to make that little girl and the giraffe. Can you see the giraffe?
Yes.
Yeah, you can see the giraffe. Yeah. So we are going to make this today. But this is my story. Haldi's adventure. Haldi is a little girl who meets a giraffe on her way to school. We are going to read the story next class. But this is
the girl. I want to make the giraffe.
Yeah, see, I can put my fingers inside and I can talk. Okay, similarly, I can put it and talk. So you have to narrate story this way, right, children?
I want to only make the giraffe.
We'll make both. We'll make both, okay?
Fine.
So, first of all, what we are going to make? We are going to make this girl.
How
Little,
many paper?
Yes?
How many papers do you
I
need?
need 2 different color papers. Do you have? You can have 2 different colors. See, the hands are here and she's
Can I
wearing a
take
ribbon.
the same color?
Yeah, you can take the same color or you can see here.
Why does he have a
Did you
pink
get me?
head?
Okay, now this is how we are going to make the doll. Okay, so take a paper. So for that we need a paper. Okay, take a paper, fold it half. Are you taking it? Show me. Advai, do it, dear.
Wait.
Yeah, I don't have paper.
Hey, that paper is there.
Please repeat.
Yeah,
Can you
Vanshika,
repeat?
take a paper and fold it this way.
Okay. Yeah, I don't have paper.
Do I have given you there.
Mom, like this?
Yeah,
See, one side or two-sided?
you need one full sheet. Make it half.
No,
Join the
two-sided or
corners.
one-sided?
Yes,
One side should be there or two-sided?
you want to make use of one side, but we need to cut the paper from the middle. Okay. So, Vanchika, are you done?
Nope. Yeah, I am doing.
Just fold the paper. You can see a line here, folding line. We are going to cut it through. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Now you can do it. Show me. Advai, show me.
Yeah, I'm still folding it. I'm gonna cut it and done.
Yeah, we are going to cut it from the middle. Okay. We are going to cut it from the middle with the
Good
scissor.
cutter.
And be
Reminding
careful with
you.
your scissor.
Hold it tight. Now fold it. That's it.
Yeah, I'm going to
Cut it.
See, I need only this much.
only one paper and a half.
Yeah, we need the half. The other half, you keep it aside.
For now.
You want a thread also, no?
Yeah,
Vanchika, you done?
It is good.
Yeah, the half paper this way.
Yep, it just flew back.
Yes, keep the other paper beside you.
Just,
We will be needing it later. Okay?
I'm done.
Okay, now you cut the paper, dear. You cut the paper half.
Yeah, I'm done.
You have done it? Okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to make a fan fold. How do we do it? See, we are going to make a fan fold.
I know how to do it. It's
Yeah.
very easy. I don't know.
See, this is the way we are going to make a fan
I'm
fold.
gonna put it this way, then turn it and
Turn
Just
it
put
back
it-
and with the same measurement, you make a fan fold. See, Advai, you'll be able to do. See, we are making a
Yeah,
kind of
I
fan
know.
fold. Yeah, do it.
Mom, I am done.
You're done? Yeah, wait for me. I have not yet finished.
In me.
Okay. Do it with me. One front fold and another back fold this way. Advai, it should come like a fan, okay?
This way? Even I know it. This way?
Ah,
I'm done.
okay. Vanchika, you're done?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, just wait. Yeah. See now, even I am done. You can open it now like this.
It's too small. I'm not used to holding this small. It's like so small.
Okay, because the doll is slim and tall. So now what are we going to do? We are not going to take... Yes, very nice. Now hold it from the top. leave this as the dress, okay?
Like a
Similar,
dress, like a
you can look
dress.
into this and know. See here, this is the way we are going to hold on, okay? Hold on to this and tie the yarn to this, okay? Take a
Okay.
piece of yarn and tie it.
I need to cut it first.
Yeah, take a piece of yarn and we are going to tie it in the, as just like a neck. But you're going to, not in the middle, it's little upward, top. Okay, as if she's wearing a gown. Okay, this way.
Mom, little is enough.
Little up. Leave little space above and this way. Now you know how I'm doing?
Yes.
Yes.
Now how to
Little
tie
down.
it?
Advai, little down. Little down, Advai.
Ma'am, I need to cut the extra strings.
You can cut it. Tie
I
it
need to
at the
fix
back, okay? Tie it at the back.
I'm gonna tie it properly. So
Yeah.
to cut the rest.
See here, it's tied down. Now just open it and keep it like this. Okay? Are you done, children?
Yeah, I'm done. Done. I'm cutting the rest.
It should come out like this.
Oh, like
Yes.
this?
Yeah, just open and make it loose, a little bit loose from up. Just spread it, okay?
Done.
Yeah, it should be like this. Yes. Now we are going to make the face of the doll. The face of the, yeah. We're going to make
Yes,
the face
go
and
with
the
the face.
hand. And the hand. So what we are going to do, we're going to
I
take
don't like
small,
it. I got some paper.
yeah,
I
take a
don't
different
like
color
the
paper. Prisha, we need a different color paper, okay? You have tied it?
Oh, I'm gonna get a different color paper. Should I use? I have used white. So
Okay,
the
you
face
can
should also
color
be
the
white.
paper. My dear, you can color the paper yellow also. And then you can cut it. Just color a piece of paper. The rest paper you have with you, white paper. Right? Yes. You color this much. I'll tell you how to do it.
I'm gonna cut the circle.
See, we are going to cut the circle. For Advai, I'm showing. Advai, you take this much. Paper, mark it with your pencil and color this inside with yellow color. Okay, and get
Okay.
ready with the other color paper. Okay,
Okay.
and then we are going to cut this out, this part. For others, we are going to take
Okay, I am made it. Yellow color. I do just yellow. I'm using yellow too.
okay, I'm using the blue color because I have the green. So I'm using the, I can use the yellow color, okay? So now what I'm going to do,
I'm just doing it how you are doing it.
yeah. Vanshika, are you done? And Prisha?
I'm still cutting the face.
Yeah. So we are going to just give a small fold. And we are going to take this out. This, we are going to cut this part, okay? Rest, we are going to keep it aside. Do it.
I'm making. Mom, can you just styling again? And the face is almost done for me.
Prisha, Vanshika, Advai, see, I need a piece of paper like this.
I'm gonna Okay.
You see that?
You color the paper yellow and keep it ready like this. Advai?
Ma'am, for me. Okay.
Yeah, Twisha. You fold it and keep. Last day I showed you how to take out a small piece of paper without wasting.
We don't need to.
Or can I just put it and take it? Okay, now we
Yeah,
need half.
take any other color which is not the same color. Okay, if you have.
I don't have other colors.
Okay,
I
for
only
you,
have white.
White color, you color it yellow, dear. You color the whole page yellow.
Okay. I don't think there is such thing as a yellow face. Yeah. I've only seen brown faces
Yeah.
and
So now
white
what we are
faces.
going to do? We are going to make the face. See the face carefully. How I have done it. See. Okay.
Yeah,
Now we
I
are
have done
going
it
to
already. I made
Yeah,
a face.
yes, we are going to draw the same face.
Okay.
Okay.
Do I use sketch pen or color pencil?
You can use sketch pen, but initially you draw with your pencil. So I'm drawing with my pencil. You also draw with me.
How are you making it? Can you show me?
Yes, see ya.
I already did the face, right?
Yeah, now we are going to draw the hair.
Yeah. Okay. I want to see how you did the hair.
Hair.
Oh. This girl is so funny.
That's your doll.
This girl. Yeah, I'm done. I decided to do the. I'm done with the hair. Hey, I'm not done.
Okay.
Show me.
See, children, you can do it this way, okay? And now we are going to put the outline and the hair, color the hair black.
Okay.
Visha, Visha, you able to do it this way?
Yes. Very big. You made it very small. I don't know. It's just. Ma'am, like this.
Just a minute. I'll put the spotlight in you. Wait. Yes, dear. Now
Okay.
you
Like
put the
this.
outline. Yeah, I can see it. You put the outline with the black sketch pen and color the hair black. Okay?
Yep, I color the hair.
Oh, yeah, show me.
Now I should make the
Advai.
eyes. Color any color.
Huh? You can use any other color also. Yes, you can.
I want to use red.
Yeah. So I'm using the black color. Advai, show me your face, the face of the doll.
Yeah, still not yet. I'm not using sketch pen because I don't have here.
Show me. Where are the eyes?
I not yet made it.
Yeah, made it. Make it fast.
Yeah, pencil's not working.
Yeah?
Can I also make the ears?
Yeah, you can. That's your doll. You can make anything.
I don't want to make the ears.
You can make earrings.
This doll is so funny.
Yeah, it is funny.
Yep, definitely so funny. I'm still on the face. Ears like this. Mine is looking like so. I don't know, like what is it looking like? Ooh. I'm done. I'm not. I'm done with the face. Ma'am, can you show me? You can. I'm not able to ever make the face. The face is looking so funny right now for me.
Everybody's face is funny then. Ella?
Oh, then how to make the mouth?
Okay. Now what we are going
Let's
to do?
make it, I don't know, like a smiley. Can I make a boy?
Yeah, you can make a boy.
If you want, you can make it a boy, but the boy has to wear a dress. Yeah.
We can put a bow so that it looks like a coat. Okay. Now what we are going to do? We are going to cut the outline.
I already cutted it. I cutted it before even drawing.
Okay.
Ma, I made another one because my last one was too small.
Okay.
And it turned out. Yeah, but what's my boy It is wrong.
What I'm going to do?
Did you make earrings?
Yeah, I made the earrings.
Oh, that's so cute. I want to make some. And eat some.
Yeah. Now I'm going to paste this here. Okay.
Okay.
I'm going to paste this here. Okay.
Okay. I'm also going to paste it because I'm done with you.
Visha, are you doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
One second.
Just glue it at the back and paste it. Okay. Beth, the place where you have tied it, just above it. Okay.
I'm gonna paste it now.
See, so two sisters are nearly ready. We just have to make the hand.
Sisters or
Yeah.
twins. You can call them
You can
twins.
make one more and make one sister or friend. Okay. Advai, show me. Have you pasted?
My doll is looking scary. Yeah, I'm doing it, but I'm not getting it.
Where you are stuck?
Where you are stuck?
Yeah, the last time when I did it, this thing. I put it in the middle.
Now stick there. Stick the face here.
Get me some water.
Is it okay if I cut it like this?
Just a minute. Show me once again. Yeah. Okay. Very nice. Just paste this.
Paddy, I can't type this.
I'm on mute.
I shouldn't have left it with the pencil. I shouldn't have outlined it. What should I do?
Now with the rest of the paper, we are going to do one more folding. Okay.
Okay.
A thin one. Not very fat. Okay. This way. Make it very thin one.
I'm done it.
Okay.
Done gluing the
Show me. Show me your doll.
Mama, I'm not done gluing the face to the doll.
Just paste it, dear. It will be done.
That's what I'm telling you. You should tell her. No? Male,
I don't want to.
male. Not
Now,
in the same
Tishwa,
side.
see, make a fold like this, a thin fold, and we are going to take out one long string kind. Okay. And we are going to paste it in front. See here. This is what we are going to take out.
Okay, that's good. It's hard.
And we are going to paste this over this. It will be its hand. Okay. See here.
Yeah, I'm not even done.
Yeah, please do it fast.
I'm done.
Okay. Show me.
I need that stringy tag.
Oh, where the place where you have tied the string, you're just going to put it over it so that it is not shown from the front. Okay. Just press it hard so that it does not come out. It will take some time to get stuck.
My hands are too big.
It's okay. You can cut it short. See ya.
That's better.
Okay. Now it's done, all of you.
No.
See ya. It's looking like it's moving its hand.
I was still made a hand.
And I have a ribbon bit with me. If you have a ribbon, tie it. Otherwise, no need. Or you can do one thing. You can, if you have golden silver paper, if you have golden or silver paper, you can make a string and tie it also. But I have a ribbon with me, so I'm just going to tie it over it. Okay? Just to make it, give it a very beautiful look.
I also have a ribbon, so I'm gonna do it. It's a golden. I want to see how you did it.
Yeah, I'm showing.
This doll is starting to look far funny.
Yeah. Okay. See how beautiful it's looking. You can see the ribbon I tied.
Go to the ma'am. Can I go to the washroom?
Yeah, please go. Take a break. Whoever is finished, you can go for your break. You can put a thread also, dear. You have a thread?
Yes.
Yeah. So I'll tie a thread also. Okay, I'll try a thread also. See how we do it. We are going to make a bow kind. Okay. So I'm going to make a bow.
Okay, I'm done. What to do? Take it.
And I'm going to put it down.
Mama, I don't know how to make a bow.
See here.
I think I know how to make a bow.
Okay, now you can make a bow and stick it down.
I don't want to make a bow.
Don't make then. You just tie the ribbon here. Okay, so this is done.
I'm done, my doll. Are we going to make the giraffe next?
Yeah, we are going to make the giraffe. If you want to go to the washroom, finish it fast and come.
I'm going to drink some water.
Yeah. So this girl's name is Haldi. So I'm going to narrate the story today. bit fast, okay? So Haldi will be going to school.
Oh, did she go to school walking?
Yeah, she'll be going to school walking. And
The
guess,
first time.
you know whom she is going to meet on the way? She's
No.
going
Yeah, a
to
giraffe.
giraffe, yes.
For the story, I have it in my book.
Yeah. So this is the way we tell the story. I'm going to teach you how to make the giraffe.
Is my doll nice? I will need a yellow.
Yes. Very beautiful. It's done. So I'm going to make the giraffe, but before that, I'm going to tell you how to narrate the story. So it will be like this. Good morning. My name is Indrani, and I'm going to narrate the story of Haldi and her first day in school. So Haldi was going.
So why is Haldi so big?
That's okay. You can cut short and make it short also. Okay. So
Okay.
Haldi was on her way to school and suddenly she meets the giraffe. Giraffe is a tall animal and she was surprised to see the animal. The giraffe said, "Come Haldi, be on my back. I will take you to the school." So Haldi sat on her back and they all went to the school. Now,
Name
Haldi,
is frozen.
you're not able to see me?
Nope. Not that proper.
Okay. Now we are going to,
Haldi became.
yeah, now the giraffe will say, "Okay, how was the ride?"
Okay,
It
doesn't
was
matter.
a
See, I made a
joyful
shot.
ride. He put
Short
it
like
down.
that.
Very nice. Very beautiful. So this is the way we are going to narrate the story in front of our parents. Okay. So you
keep
have to
reading.
make hand puppets, or you can make a chart and
Yeah,
tell
raise your hand.
different story, not this story.
And,
I have chosen this story. You can choose any other story and make
I want to
puppets.
choose this story.
Okay. Now we are going to make this giraffe. Okay.
I got the papers ready.
Yeah. So we need the half of the paper. So the rest of the paper we are going to make a square out of the paper. Last day I told you how to make a square. We are just going to fold.
Okay, now I'm making the hands.
hands.
Hands. I
Put your own tight.
So children, we have this part of the paper left. Yes. Now what we are going to do, we are going to make a square. We know how to make a square. Children, we know how to make a square. See, you're going to just fold it this way. Okay. You're going to fold it this way and cut this out, this part. Keep it aside for different work. Make a square.
Please show me again, ma'am. Mama, bigger one.
Yeah. You already made a square. That's a square paper.
Yes.
Yes, like this.
Yeah, I'm making the paper. Square paper, I made it done.
Take a square paper. If you don't have a square paper, you can make one. Yeah. Now we are going to fold like the aeroplane we make. We are going to fold it. See, this way. See, you have folded the paper this way,
Yes.
right? To make a square. Now you're going to make this fold. Okay.
I didn't see. I didn't see. I
Yeah,
didn't
you want
see.
to make a square?
Ma'am, like this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I made a square.
And then you fold it. Look here, Advai. Just like the we make up aeroplane, similar kind. Okay. It will be like a diamond
Okay.
shape. Now we are going
Doing
to,
it.
Trisha, we are going to fold this
way.
little part. And we are going to cut this out. Vanshika, you want to cut this out?
Okay.
This part is extra. We have a line also here to cut. So don't get confused.
Okay, I'm done. I'm like this.
Yes. Okay. Now, what are we going to do? See here, children. We are going to just overlap each other like this. See, it will be like a cone.
Mom.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
So before that, we are going to open this. We have to do a small cutting. We'll make it this way from the middle. Just hold it this way.
Okay. Mom, the
Yeah.
back one, like this, the back.
Yeah. This way. Just open the fold and it will be like this.
This way?
Yes.
This way?
Okay.
Okay,
Now what
I got this.
Yeah. Now what we are going to do, the folding side, you're not going to take the opening side. Don't take the opening side. The other side. Okay. The folding side.
This side?
The folding side. Not the opening side.
Okay.
Take this part. Not the other part where it opens. Okay. Take this part and draw like this.
Okay.
You're able to see?
Yes. Yeah.
Touch to the end. Leave some space in between.
Okay, done.
Okay, now we are going to,
Done.
yeah, now we are going to cut this part, inside part. Okay, let's cut it. Just like a den. It will be like a small den.
This way. I should cut it now.
Yeah, you should cut it now, like this.
Yeah, I am still doing it. I'm like this.
Yeah. Now, as I told you before, we are going to overlap with each other. So, we are going to stick this. Okay. See, it looks like the leg of the giraffe. Okay. So, glue it
Yeah,
at
I'm
the back.
still not yet done.
Yeah. So, glue it at the back. And we are going to get something
Here.
like this. At the back side.
Here.
Yes.
Only two will come. Here.
Yeah.
Here I should stick it.
Yeah. See here. It should be
Okay.
like this. Okay.
Where to glue?
அங்கதானே இருக்கு.
See, it will be like this. When you make it, it will be standing like this. It will be able to stand. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the tail at the back. Okay, the tail at the back. Just like this giraffe. See, I've cut the tail at the back.
I'm
So,
gonna cut it.
yeah.
Me too. Now
Yes.
how to make a tail?
So now I'm going to make a tail. Just this side, the other side where you have glued it, you're going to cut like this here.
Okay, I'll make the tail.
See, take it out. The tail is ready. Yes.
Okay.
Now we are going to do 2 more small dents here and here. Okay, not cutting the edges. Okay, I'll show you how.
I'll make the dam.
See how
I made a tail.
See how she did.
See, young children, it will be like this. Are you able to see?
Yeah.
Draw it this way.
Should we draw it like a tunnel?
Yeah, 2 tunnel, but not from the edges. You want to leave the edges. Okay? Yeah. And we are going to cut is the same way we did it before. So let me cut it and show you.
Okay, I'm done.
Very
Let's see how
nice.
she doing.
Show me what you are doing.
Okay.
Show.
I'm gonna cut it.
See.
I'm not this 2 tunnel.
Yes. See, it will
That
be like
can
this.
stand.
Yeah, the tail
Okay, my hand
and the
feels
2 more
exciting.
legs.
Wow.
Throw it down.
Yeah, I made such a very small one.
Thank you.
Okay, done all of you?
What?
See the tail and the 2 legs here.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, now we'll keep it aside. And now there was a paper which came out in a triangle shape, right? Do we have that?
I gave it.
Yes. What we are going to do, we are going to fix this as the face. So we are going to cut it little short. We are going to just delete this part.
Please.
Wow. How to do that? Yeah, I need a better one. This is fully spoiled. Yeah, ma'am is like more like pointed for me. Now I need more square paper.
That's right. Half you kept it, no? Where is it?
So this one only. Ma'am, can you show me how did you fold it?
Yes, dear. I'm just taking out a triangle from the paper. That is all.
Then how did you like fold it like this way?
I took it out from here. Okay.
No.
Yeah. Now what we are going to do,
Yeah.
we are going to make
Bend on the side line.
2 horns of the giraffe. Okay. So you have cut the dents, right? You have cut the dents and the remaining papers are with you this way. Fisha, you have cut it. Show me the paper remaining like this.
How much do I need to give you?
Okay, now on these 2, I'm going to draw the horns.
Yeah.
Videos. Okay.
So we are going to make 2 horns like this. Draw. Draw two horns like this in two small paper.
Don't tell it loudly. It's yours, that's all.
Okay. Now we are going to cut this out. Just cut the outline.
Your video is paused.
You can't see?
Now I can see. Before that,
Okay,
not
you
even.
draw like this two horns here. Okay.
It's okay.
Ma'am,
So I have cut out two horns.
Getting to sting.
Okay, take out two horns like this.
Yeah, but I just made the other down part, no. Mom, the video is not moving.
Not able to see?
You're not moving. Now you're moving. Making
Can
the
see it now?
horn.
Okay, now what we are going to do? We are going to stick the horn of the giraffe.
Where? Show me.
We are going to take this triangle and stick it there like this. I'll stick and show you. Wait.
Show me how.
Showing.
Okay.
At the back, you're going to stick. Face, you want to draw the face here. So we are going to put it on the back side of the face. Okay?
I'm gonna do it.
Okay, now we are going to make 2 ears.
Mom, I'm not done.
So I'm going to make 2 ears like this.
Okay, I'm gonna make the ears too.
Twisha, look at this. We are going to make 2 ears and cut it out.
No.
Advay, could you do it?
I'm gonna cut. Ma'am, should we cut it?
Yes, we are going to cut the ear.
Yeah.
Okay.
A ear like this.
So we are done with the 2 ears. This way. Now I'm going to stick it. See, I've stuck this and I'm going to stick the ears down at the back.
My friend. You mean your
This way, okay?
boyfriend? Tell my boyfriend.
Okay. So let's stick it.
Show me. Not like this.
Yeah. See here. You're able to see? Look at the back. I pasted it all at the back. Okay. The back side, not the front side.
Not like this. Nice.
Yes. Okay, done? Fine. Now we are going to draw the face. With your pencil, look at the face. It has 2 big eyes and a nose.
Come on.
Advai, are you done? Show me.
I'm not.
Do it.
Yeah, why are you sitting? Where is the the body which I made? It was too small. Oh, that is so sad. And the other one I'm not getting. My hand fits inside.
It is like this. Okay. Now we are going to fix this up. Where the tail is just opposite to that, you're going to stick it at the top.
What?
Okay.
Okay.
Now
Show me.
see the tail and the opposite side you're going to stick it. Okay. The tail is there and the face. Now we are going to make the hair. Take any dark color paper. Just cut along.
Mom, I don't have a dark color paper. This is brown.
Yeah, you're going to take this much only. Small,
I'll take
not long, very long. Make
No.
it short one, like this.
It's
Okay. Now we are going to give a small fold to it. Yeah, this way. Okay. Fisha, you got me?
Mom, but I don't have dark color paper. Can I use
Any other color paper will do. Okay. Just
Can I-
fold it this way. Take small, okay? It should not be bigger than your giraffe. It should be small.
And then
Okay. Now I'm going to cut it very closely like this. See here. You able to see how it is cut?
Yes.
Yeah? Cut it.
Cutter. I'll make it. Yes. You're doing it so fast.
Yeah, you take your time and do. But coloring of the giraffe, you're going to do it later, okay? Not now. I don't have much time now. So look at this. It's just like the hair of the giraffe. Okay? Now what we are going to do? We are going to paste it at the back of the giraffe. See here how I'm going to paste it. Here. Okay? Look, Twisha and Vanshika, Advai. This is the way we are going to paste it. So when I paste it, it will be and the fold. You want to put the glue only on the fold. Okay? See here, this fold only. I'm going to glue it this way only. Only that part.
What are you gluing it to?
Okay? Now we are going to put it at the back. Just above the tail, you're going to fix this up. Okay? So the giraffe is ready to walk. Now what are you going to do after this? After this, you are going to see that it will look like this. Okay? So you see both of them have the hairs at the back. What you're going to do at home after I finish this all this, you are going to make the brown patches as a giraffe has. Okay? Let it dry for some time and then you make the brown patches and it will be ready. Okay?
Ma'am, can you see mine? Ma'am?
Just put the hair, see how I cut it this way, small with small, very small
I did it like
difference. Okay, this is the hair it will be looking like.
I made it like this. I cut
Yeah, just put it above the tail, huh? Above the tail. Now you want to do,
the small
yes,
paper.
it's ready, all of yours are ready. Now you're going to put the brown color later on when it gets dried up. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is the story. I'm going to tell you about this story again tomorrow. We have made the props. So tomorrow I'm going to narrate the story. How you're going to present it on the last day.
Ma'am, what about the rest papers?
You're going to keep it for rest work. Okay, keep it in a bag. Keep it safely. We'll use it later on.
I want to make something with it.
You can make something out of it. Yeah. Okay. So I'm done today. So yes. So both of our things are ready, isn't it? Isn't it look good, beautiful?
Yes.
Yeah. You're going to color the remaining part. You're going to color this giraffe with the brown patches later on when it gets dry. Okay. Fine. So you're going to get this tomorrow also for the class. I'm going to tell you how to narrate the story, which we are going to present on the last day in front of our parents. Okay? Got me?
Yes.
Yeah, Vanshika, did you get me? We are going to narrate a story, but this is my story. You can choose your own story. Don't take this story. Make any other puppet or hand puppet.
Your story.
Yeah, you can take your own stories, okay?
But I want to make your story. Ma'am, with a giraffe and girl only can I make a story?
Giraffe and a girl, but not the Haldi's adventure.
I'm not gonna make that something else.
Okay, you can.
She will be at home and the giraffe will come and meet her.
But that is the Haldi story, right? I don't want you to do this story because it's already been told. You have to do something new, okay, which your parents will not know.
But I don't have enough paper.
Okay, I'll show you how to make hand puppets also. Tomorrow I'm going to show you. And for now it's okay.
And that I thought how to make. Now I know how to make.
Okay, then start thinking of the story and tell me tomorrow which story you are choosing, okay? For your science class, I'm coming tomorrow. Okay, for now, bye for now. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.